मैं हमेशा से आई वांटेड टू डू समथिंग रिलेटेड टू द प्रोडक्ट.
उसमें कैपिटल बहुत लगता है.
राइट राइट.
दैट्स व्हाई, क्योंकि हम दोनों फैमिली बिजनेस, हम
हाँ.
दोनों का मारवाड़ी फैमिलीज.
हाँ.
It was not exciting to me at all. So that mentality we have been able to touch अभी कि नहीं छोड़ देते, क्लाइंट ही छोड़ देते, कोई बात नहीं चलेगा, इसका सैलरी मैं अपने से दूँ. PR's job is amplify this.
Hello everyone, hi, and we are back again with yet another exciting episode. And today, the first time ever, we have a duo with us, and they are co-founders as well. And as we have always promised that we would share stories of people and their journey as well, because I truly believe that each and every story is exciting and it teaches you a lot. So today we have two entrepreneurs with us, two founders with us, and they have a journey to share, and they have started their own company and their own entrepreneurial venture by the name of Anti-SaaS. It was a bit sassy for me as well to understand that what this name stands for, and to elaborate more about it, I would request them to introduce themselves first and then speak about their company. Over to you.
Hi, I'm Shani. I have completed my Masters in Finance from NMIMS Mumbai. And anti-social is basically one sarcastic meaning to how social media represents. Is basically we give you a 3D dimension. For being anti to something, you have to know social side of it as well.
Okay.
That is the idea of keeping it as anti-social.
So why is it wasn't social and SaaS?
Because SH is me, Shani, so it has to be anti-social only. It should represent the both of us, the vibe we bring into the table.
And since you are two of you, let him also introduce himself. Yes.
Hi, my name is Nikhil, and I am co-founder at Antisoc, and I just completed my graduation in marketing. Before Antisoc, I was in my father's business.
Okay.
And we just started before 4 months.
So yeah. So again, Nikhil and Shani.
Yeah.
How did this idea come up?
He's a better person to explain this because the idea was not mine.
Okay.
मैं हमेशा से I wanted to do something related to the product because my father is a businessman. उन्हीं से all the business equipment जो मेरे को है, it comes from both of our fathers into the business. So I was looking for a product market fit for too long. मतलब finance में मेरा जो career था, and I did not want to pursue it. It is very challenging and very monotonous for me.
Okay.
मतलब every day I used to feel कि उठो office जाओ वापस आओ.
It's the same thing that you.
Yeah. So it was not exciting to me at all. And when we were discussing this also, मेरे को निखिल ने बताया था कि शानी मेरे को ऐसा कुछ करना है. And development में we took only 1.5 months and we started.
Oh, nice. So didn't think much. You just started with the thing.
Yeah.
Nice.
मीन्स हमको सर्विस बिजनेस में ही घुसना था.
हाँ.
मतलब प्रोडक्ट, मतलब उसमें कैपिटल बहुत लगता है.
Right.
दैट्स व्हाई, और हमारे पास उतना कैपिटल नहीं. दैट्स व्हाई सर्विस बेस में ही घुसना था.
Right.
या.
So service-based industry is always easy to start because यहाँ पे पैसा कम लगता है. You are providing your own services, आपकी अलग से expertise है तो पैसा कम लग जाता है and it's easy to kickstart.
Yeah.
So that is how you started.
Yeah.
And घर पे क्या बोला?
घर पे पहले तो बहुत समझाना पड़ा क्योंकि इसके पहले हमने और भी 2-3 चीज़ ट्राई की थी. जैसे कस्टमाइज शूज़ करना चालू किया था और इनको कैफ़े खोलना था और भी लोगों का बहुत सारा चीज़ था. बट सर्विस बेस में क्या था, कैपिटल नहीं लगता जस्ट बिकॉज उसमें हम चालू करती है.
That was the easiest. I mean.
Yeah.
So you have आपने experiment किया था with shoe, customized shoe. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
and a cafe as well.
Yeah.
So did you start it?
Yes, कस्टमाइज शूज़ का चालू किया था. फिर
हाँ.
हमें पता चला दैट इज़ नीश मार्केट.
Right.
दैट्स वाई फिर हमने वो बंद कर दिया एक
Right.
मंथ में. उसके बाद
एक मंथ में ही आपने शुरू बंद कर दिया.
उसके बाद फिर एंटीसोश.
राइट. सो करेक्ट मी इफ आई एम रॉन्ग कि आपने हमेशा से बिजनेस शुरू करना ये आइडिया रखा ही था.
क्योंकि हम दोनों फैमिली बिजनेस, हम
हाँ.
दोनों का मारवाड़ी फैमिलीज.
हाँ.
तो ऑब्वियस जॉब का तो चलता ही नहीं है. फैमिली बिजनेस ही चलता है.
पैसे पे ही नजर है कि पैसा कहाँ से लाना है, बिजनेस कहाँ से लाना है. सो आपका दिमाग बिजनेस पे चल रहा था. सो यू स्टार्टेड विद कस्टमाइज्ड शू थिंग, पर वो किसी कारणवश नहीं चल पाया. दैट्स ओके, बिजनेस होता है. देन immediately you started with Anti-SaaS, or there was something in middle as well?
Cafe.
Cafe. But cafe, did it happen or you were just giving a thought to it?
It's just thought.
हाँ, I looked through the paperwork और तभी समझ गया था कि नहीं होगा, पापा नहीं मानेंगे इतने paperwork के लिए. And दूसरा चीज ये था, we both are full-time traders as well. He does crypto and I do share market.
Oh, okay.
So we knew कि इतना जल्दी.
Even now as well.
Yeah, we do that. It's just something that keeps the day exciting.
So that is like a positional thing or FNO?
Both.
Both. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
So because we come from different backgrounds, वो crypto करते हैं, मैं share market करते हैं.
रिस्क लेने की आदत पहले से ही है.
This is one commonality हम दोनों के बीच में है, that we both traders.
Nice.
So we understand कि every business हम जो कुछ भी शुरू करेंगे, it will require us to give in more.
True.
वो जो investment का return है, it is going to take time. ये हमको पता था. And
Right.
investment value more than money, it was efforts.
Right.
ये business में.
Right.
क्योंकि जब हमने R&D कर रहे थे, I had this, मुझे while we were doing anti-social also हमको बोला था कि नहीं होगा, financial services कर लो, finance में पैसा है.
किसने बोला ये?
A lot of people, मतलब there is one section जो आज भी believe करता है, after I have given this sale to my company या हमने एक नंबर दे दिया है कि इतना क्लाइंट्स में क्लोज कर चुकी, उसके बाद भी बोलते हैं कि ये सस्टेन नहीं हो पाएगा इन द लॉन्ग रन. ये बहुत लोग बोलते हैं. पर हमने वो जो रिसर्च करी थी कि हमने देखा था कि एडवांसमेंट्स जो टेक्नोलॉजी में आए थे, अब वो बस हो गया टेक्नोलॉजी का ग्रोथ.
प्लेटो हिट हो गया.
हाँ, अभी द कमिंग डेकेड विल बी अबाउट मार्केटिंग.
नाइस.
इसका ये था कि इसने शार्क टैंक देखा था तो
शार्क टैंक से पता चला कि वहाँ से मार्केटिंग का कितना वैल्यू है.
Right.
तो इसके वजह से वो थॉट आया कि मार्केटिंग एजेंसी चालू करते हैं.
Okay.
और आज के टाइम पे हमको पता भी चला है कि लोगों को उसका वैल्यू पता चल रहा है मार्केटिंग के बारे में, पहले नहीं पता था, स्पेशली इन थाने.
Right.
मुंबई में वैसे तो बहुत सारे मार्केटिंग एजेंसी है, तो वहाँ के लोगों को उसका वैल्यू पता है.
Right.
यहाँ के लोगों को उतना नहीं पता था. तो दैट्स व्हाई.
So Thane is more of a suburb that is connected to Mumbai.
Yes.
Nice. So यहाँ पे you are trying to enlighten people. अब उनको जागरूक कर रहे हो कि ऐसा भी कुछ चीज होता है where you could market your product or yourself as well.
मार्केटिंग इज अ कॉन्सेप्ट. इट इज नॉट कि आपको ऐसे करना है. एक कोई बुक हैंडल से आप करके कर ही नहीं सकते हो. एवरीबॉडीज प्रोडक्ट इज डिफरेंट. अगर आपका प्रोडक्ट भी सिमिलर है तो मार्केट इज डिफरेंट. आप कहाँ केटर कर रहे हो, कैसे कर रहे हो, इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अब सबका अपना एक टीजी है जो आपको निकालना पड़ेगा, दैट इज टारगेट ऑडियंस. उसके हिसाब से यू हैव टू गो फॉरवर्ड. तो मार्केटिंग कैन नॉट बी सेम फॉर एवरीबॉडी. तो यही हमको वो गैप दिख गया थाने में कि अगर मेरे को किसी को कन्विंस भी करना है ना कि तुम 10,000 रुपया डालो मार्केटिंग में, देख ये तो हम भी कर सकते थे. मतलब किया क्यों नहीं है अब तक? कर लेना चाहिए था, हमारी जरूरत ही नहीं पड़नी चाहिए थी. इवन पीपल थिंक इंस्टाग्राम पे डालने से थोड़ी बिजनेस बनता है. मतलब पीपल हैव क्रिएटेड बिजनेसेस आउट ऑफ बिजनेसेस ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. हाँ, वेरी बिग. मतलब आई नो समबडी जिन्होंने घर से शुरू किया था, पुटिंग इट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, लिटरली नो फिक्स्ड कॉस्ट. सिर्फ तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट है जो तुम्हारा कॉस्ट है. एंड दे हैव मेड अ बिजनेस ऑफ 500 crores. हाउ इज इट सो डिफिकल्ट? तो टू गेट टू नो पीपल कि उनको अभी भी उसका वैल्यू नहीं है. 90% पीपल इन थाने डू नॉट यूज लिंक्डइन. उनको लगता है लिंक्डइन जॉब वाले लोग ही यूज करते हैं. इवन हमारे जितने क्लाइंट्स, हमने उनको बोला कि एटलीस्ट सेटअप कर दो लिंक्डइन, तुम यूज मत करो, आगे चल के तुम अपलोड करो लिंक्डइन पे, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. लाइक नहीं, हमको जॉब थोड़ी करना है. लाइक उसके लिए जरूरी नहीं है तुमको जॉब चाहिए.
So from what I understand, the larger point that you're trying to make is that Thane as a suburb is a good market and an unpenetrated market. जहाँ पे अभी भी people are yet to understand the importance of a marketeer and how can it help them to leverage more and more business for themselves.
Yeah.
That's a fantastic thing. But before we go ahead on this entrepreneurial journey, firstly, from what I understood is that for you as an entrepreneur, पहले से आपने सोचा था कि business करना ही है. And again, the good part which I admire about you is that you were okay with experimenting.
Yeah.
You started one business which you didn't marry to. Why I'm saying that people वो ego पे ले लेते हैं लोग कि नहीं ये business चला कैसे नहीं. I'll make sure that this business runs. You understood it very clearly that नहीं, this business is not running. Close it. And then you were clear enough to work on another idea where you understood that नहीं इसमें capital ज़्यादा लग जाएगा, नहीं लग रहा है. And then eventually capital was your constraint, so you thought that कम capital में क्या होता है, तो उसके ऊपर दिमाग लगाओ. And that is where you came up with anti-SaaS. And now, since the last 4 months, you have been successfully running it.
Yes.
So congratulations to you. And again, one thing that I would like to really compliment you is that you didn't give ears to the naysayers. I mean, जो आपको demotivate करने की try कर रहे थे, you never focused on that.
No.
Many people, you know, they focus on the naysayers and negativity is easy to cling to you. So वो चिपक जाती है and then आपके self belief down होते जाता है. But one thing that I really like about you both is that you know that आपको किधर पहुंचना है. जिसको मना करना है मना करने दो. I am focused on what I require and I am working hard towards it. That's a fantastic thing that I saw you guys, and the energy that you guys are giving out is fantastic. So kudos to you for that. And now we start with the journey that is anti-SaaS. Let's talk about it now.
So the idea behind starting Anti-Social is making people aware कि देखो this is also how you can approach your business. It is not कि तुम offers run कर दोगे या फिर तुम किसी को discount दे दोगे. तो it is not a way that you run your business.
No. Let us go through the first day in your office.
So I was not in town and he was here only and we were discussing this on the phone कि कैसे करना है. अब मिल तो गया कि ये कर सकते हैं जिसमें पैसा कम लग रहा है. एंड तो हमने एक लिस्ट बनाया पीपल वी नो अराउंड अस हु आर आवर फ्रेंड्स या जिसका कुछ स्मॉल बिजनेस है,
कैन बी अ पोटेंशियल
क्लाइंट. हाँ, तो 9 to 10 नेम्स केम अप. उसमें से सिर्फ एक जन ने फोन उठाया. 8 लोगों ने बोला नहीं ये वो कुछ तो दोस्त लोगों ने भी ऐसे मुंह पे ना बोला.
डे 1 पे पिचिंग शुरू कर दिया.
हाँ, क्लाइंट नहीं रहेगा तो बताऊंगी क्या मैं. पिच तो उसके बाद भी बना दूंगी मैं, पर पहले पता तो लगे कौन इंटरेस्टेड है.
फर्स्ट क्लाइंट इज योरसेल्फ, यू वर मार्केटिंग योरसेल्फ.
यस. इवन जब मैं उनसे पहली बार मिलने भी गई थी तो उन्होंने बोला था कि आप करोगी क्या. मैं बोला ये अभी आप बताओगे. आप बता दो क्या करना है, हम करके आपको दे देंगे. ये था कि फिर हमको एक चीज समझ आया जब हमने शुरू करा कि वो कस्टमाइजेशन और पर्सनलाइजेशन वाला जो चीज है वो एजेंसीज उस पर फोकस नहीं कर पा रहे.
ओके, सो दे आर फिक्स सेट जिसमें वो लोग काम करते हैं
कि आप 30,000 पे करो और ये सर्विस इंक्लूड होगा. अब तुमको नहीं चाहिए तो भी लेना पड़ेगा. नाउ दिस वाज अपसेटिंग बिजनेसेस अ लॉट. ये हमने नोटिस करा. तो हमने सामने वाले को बोला तुम रिक्वायरमेंट भेजो, हम उसके हिसाब से पैकेज बना कर देंगे.
ओके,
दिस थिंग हमने जो पिवट करा बीच में कि हम वो स्टैंडर्डाइज फॉर्मेट में नहीं जाना चाहते.
एंड ये समझने में आपको कितना टाइम लगा?
1 month and 1 client.
अच्छा,
फर्स्ट क्लाइंट ने बहुत चीज सिखा दी हमको क्या नहीं करना.
let us understand your first client. Don't name
He's
them
our friend
obviously,
also.
but the industry that they were in and what experience, because I could smell that there was a good experience or a good taste that is left behind here.
So जब हम उनको pitch करने गए थे, our wavelength really matched because he is of the similar age group.
What industry is this?
It's in the food, food industry.
Okay.
Yeah. तो हमको समझ गया था कि यार वेवलेंथ्स एंड एवरीथिंग मैच, पर उनका था हमसे अनरियलिस्टिक डिमांड्स.
Okay.
और हमने उनको बोल दिया हम कर देंगे अनरियल चीजें.
क्लाइंट चाहिए था.
हाँ, क्योंकि कुछ तो करिए, समझे कैसे. तो अनरियल चीजें हमने प्रॉमिस कर दी उनको.
Okay.
और फिर हमको जैसे जैसे समझ आया कि हम कर तो पा रहे हैं, प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि कर नहीं पा रहे, पर जितना वो रिजल्ट या आउटकम एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे वो नहीं कर पा रहे. अभी हमने उनको प्रॉमिस करा था कि 3 to 5,000 के बीच में अगर हम आपको ये चीज करके दे देंगे. उनका एक्सपेक्टेशन था तुम मुझे 3,000 में 30,000 का काम करके.
तो क्लाइंट है, वो तो कुछ भी एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं.
तो वो हमको बहुत जल्दी समझ आ गया कि हमको थोड़ा R&D पर ज्यादा फोकस करना है तभी, कि थोड़ा और रिसर्च करना है मार्केट को लेकर. And he's still one of our very good friends for the both of us. But
you made it up in a nice way.
हाँ. फिर जब हमने we decided कि we cannot continue with them, तब तक I had signed 2 more people in the process.
So you said no or he said no?
Both of us.
It was more of a mutual thing.
In the group, we both have put up the same message कि this is not working out. And we have said it is us. He said it is us.
How humble can one be?
So they also understood unreal demands if you give, because उनका जो consensus था, the main problem was कि it was not how they are marketing us or how we are also marketing us. It is because जो primary changes होते हैं ना, हमने उनको वो suggest करे थे. अभी आप किसी कैफे वाले को बोल दो तुम मेन्यू बदल दो तो they get very offended. But हमको पता लग गया था कि इसके वजह से the sale is not coming. It is not because how we are marketing या वो भी market कर रहे हैं. अभी he was not ready.
The problem was the product, that is what.
Yeah, तो अभी when you tell somebody कि तुम्हारा product ही खराब है, you are supposed to market it. तुमको नहीं समझा था ये, इसलिए we did not say that कि देखो ऐसा है. We told them we are not able to sell your product.
That's just a nice way to put it.
आफ्टर अ वाइल जब थिंग्स वर ओके एंड ऐसा अभी आग
Then he
बुझ गया
openly
था,
said it.
तब अभी ही चेंज्ड हिज मेन्यू आल्सो कंप्लीटली.
Thanks to you.
पर हमने उनको बताया कि देखो आपका और मेरा दोनों का गलती नहीं है, तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट बराबर नहीं है.
But if at all you have to jot down a few learnings from the first client that you had, what would those learnings be?
बहुत सारी चीज़ें एक ही मंथ में नहीं कर सकते.
Okay.
जैसे उनका था कि एक ही मंथ में 10 to 12 इवेंट्स करना है,
Okay.
जो पॉसिबल नहीं है और वो हमको भी पता नहीं था.
But this was a cafe chain जहाँ पे he was
Yeah.
expecting events to happen. Okay.
तो नेक्स्ट से हमको पता चला कि एक मंथ में हम 2 से 3 इवेंट ही कर सकते, बट अच्छे करके थे.
Right.
तो उनको भी समझ में आया कि उस चीज़ का वैल्यू समझ में आया कि और ऑडियंस भी ज़्यादा है.
Right.
10 to 12 करेंगे तो उतना प्रमोशन नहीं हो
Quality over quantity.
क्वालिटी. या
Right. Right.
तो वही आगे जाके वही पता चला. अभी नेक्स्ट टाइम से हम वही
Nice. That was one of the learnings. Any
Yeah.
other learnings that you like to share?
is give time to R&D. मतलब once you sign a client, 10 दिन you understand their customer, not
Right.
the client.
Okay. Okay.
Because client को तो पता है उसको क्या
that
चाहिए.
will start with understanding their product as well.
Exactly.
Then comes the
हाँ.
customer. Yeah.
कि तुम कस्टमर एंड समझो कि उनसे कस्टमर क्या एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं, क्योंकि अगर उनको ये पता होता तो तुम्हारी जरूरत नहीं होती. तो हमको ये रियलाइज हो गया कि क्लाइंट का अंडरस्टैंडिंग ले लेना है, क्योंकि वो खुद नहीं कर पा रहा था वो
Right, right.
माइंड
जो खरीदने वाला है उसका ही साइकिल
Audience
का
लेना है.
हमने सोचा कि लेट्स ब्रिंग इन द कस्टमर पर्सपेक्टिव.
राइट राइट.
अभी जो भी हम क्लाइंट्स के साथ काम करते हैं, वी आस्क फॉर मिनिमम 9-10 डेज फॉर R&D. उसमें हम मार्केट रिसर्च करते हैं कि इनके कंपेटिटर्स क्या कर रहे हैं और इनके कस्टमर्स क्यों रिपीट नहीं आ रहे. बिकॉज एट द एंड 1 मूवर 2 मूवर इज सब बोलने का
Okay,
बात है.
yeah.
रिटेंशन इज समथिंग दैट स्टेज. वो सर्वाइवल बिजनेस का तभी होगा जब तुम्हारा कस्टमर रिटर्न आ रहा
Repeat
है.
होगा.
नहीं कितने लाओगे तुम कस्टमर, कहाँ से लाओगे कस्टमर. तो हमको समझ गया रिटेंशन अगर तुमको चाहिए ऑन पेपर तो उसके लिए क्वालिटी प्रोवाइड करना पड़ेगा, उसके लिए उनका वेवलेंथ समझना पड़ेगा. अभी कैफे भी है तो अगर तुम सिर्फ वेज ऑडियंस को टारगेट कर रहे हो तो उसमें वेज में भी देयर इज कैटेगरीज. तुमको किनको टारगेट करना है, कैसे करना है. एक फाइंडिंग योर राइट टारगेट ऑडियंस एंड दूसरा मार्केट रिसर्च, कि तुम रिसर्च करके जाओ बिजनेस के बारे में.
Nice.
दैट इज सब प्राइमरी रिसर्च की. किस क्लाइंट को मिलने के पहले भी हम थोड़ा इन्फो निकालते कि उनका बैकग्राउंड क्या था. Even we had the opportunity to meet one of the very big cafes in Thane, and he was very surprised to know कि हमने उनका LinkedIn find out करके गए थे, because he is an IITian, तो उनको there is compulsory for them to have. तो we made sure कि हम उनको बताएं कि हमको पता है आप IITian हो, इसीलिए हम सोच समझ कर आए हैं आपके
So you
पास.
study your client as well.
Yes.
So that makes him feel or her feel special as well.
Valued, we
Right.
value
True,
you ऐसा.
True, true, true.
कि कस्टमर को ये नहीं लगे कि हम तुमसे अब मिलकर काम करेंगे, हम काम कर कर आए हैं.
And you have a good background about themselves as well.
Yes.
When you
Yeah.
go over there.
We
Nice.
take out history and go ki the reason they have not been able to do something is because
Right.
of one thing that is not working out for them.
Fantastic. Fantastic.
That thing helps out, क्योंकि clients का other than that वो expectation है मैं बोलूँ नहीं तुम समझ जाओ. This is a lot of times जो हम तक आया है.
True, true.
So that mentality we have been able to touch. अभी recently when we meet our clients, हमारा every month we send in them one feedback form कि तुमने अगर ये सर्विस एक्स्ट्रा ऐड करवाया है तो इसका इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है. इफ यू फील नहीं है डोंट टेक इट. हम खुद सजेस्ट करते हैं ये चीज.
Nice. Nice.
क्योंकि प्राइसिंग इज अ थर्ड इशू. सामने वाले को जब पता है 5 चीज होना चाहिए, वो नहीं हो रहा है, दे गेट वेरी अननोयड. तो हम बोलते तुम 4 ही करो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है हमारे एंड से.
You take continuous feedbacks from your
Yeah.
customer.
Every month, that is our one priority. 15th को we send them feedbacks from 20th को, and it is a 7-page feedback.
Oh, and people feel it as well.
Yes, yes. उनका ही बिजनेस फ्लरिश रहेगा ना. मेरे को क्या फायदा होने वाला है, मेरे को तो चेंजेस समझ आ जाएगा कि ये चीज नहीं
But
वर्कआउट
this
हो
is
रही है.
something that not many do because एक बार client आ गया तो लोग भूल जाते हैं. Then this is a
Yes.
fantastic thing that you are doing. Because बाद में अगर expectation change हो रही है तो you get a hint that नहीं
Yes.
यहाँ पे expectation
पता
change हो
चल
रही है.
जाएगा.
Right. That's a very nice thing. That's a very nice thing.
सर्विस बिजनेस ऐसे यू नॉट गिविंग एनीथिंग. तुमको
Right.
कुछ फिजिकल मिलता नहीं है.
Right.
तो हम समझेंगे कैसे कि उनको पसंद आया कि नहीं आया. जब तक रील पे व्यूज नहीं आता है लोग डोंट बिलीव कि अरे 5000
अच्छा काम हो रहा है वैसे.
हाँ दैट इज द आइडिया. इसके लिए हमने वो फॉर्म रखा है कि वी गेट टू नो कि अगर उनका एक्सपेक्टेशन चेंज हो रहा है
Right,
या इस मंथ से उनको एक अलग डायरेक्शन में पिवट करना है अपना बिजनेस, तो हम उनमें हेल्प कर सकते
ये
हैं.
किसका आइडिया था? इसका idea. That's nice. That's nice. And I'm very sure that things aren't good every day. It isn't rosy every day. There has to be some bad experiences. Or for an entrepreneur, हर दिन में there are some or the other not bad experiences but challenges that are thrown to you. So any challenging client who taught you a lot. You would like
Are
to
still
share.
teaching.
You would like to share about them.
No, the thing about clients is it is not about being a good client or a bad client. It is
Right.
just वो expectation match नहीं हो पाता है.
Right.
हमको लगता है एज अ क्लाइंट तुमने ये नहीं किया और उनको लगता है एज अ सर्विस कंपनी तुमने ये नहीं
But anything that has happened. Of course, not naming, but any
हाँ, so
experience.
there was this thing कि हमने उनको बता रखा था कि this is how our formatting works.
Right.
I will require इतना time to do this. Now every day calling the both of us asking for updates. So after one point हमने बताया कि this is the assigned person. You call him every day. We
Okay.
told him also please attend call, say the same thing every day. We were ready to not listen. I can't sit with the edit guy every day to do this. After one day we got a surprise visit.
By the client.
हाँ कि ये किधर है लाइक अभी हम कहीं और है कुछ और कर रहे हैं सो दे लाइक नहीं आप करके दो अभी अर्जेंसी में वी बोथ वर आउट समवेयर इन 2 different cities at that time
Okay.
तो भी वी वर गेटिंग कंटिन्यूअस कॉल्स
So these are
कंटिन्यूअस
the unrealistic expectations that the
Clients
clients can have
have.
from you. Okay. So they feel that they in a way have owned you or something like
they
that.
think I can give you 10,000 and you have to come and wash my face also if I want to that is the thing that they
So what
ask
was the
for.
reaction at this point of time?
No, the thing I have realized is किसी का कभी भी जरूरत पड़ सकता है don't be rude don't
नहीं,
fight
वैसे नहीं, that's okay. That would be your reaction to the customer.
Okay.
But when it came to yourself, what was the reaction?
we angry, irritated at one point, thought of ki why are we also doing this? We should drop the client. This तो comes to my mind every day.
Every day.
कि नहीं छोड़ देते, क्लाइंट ही छोड़ देते, कोई बात नहीं चलेगा, इसका सैलरी मैं अपने से दूंगी.
दूसरा मिल जाएगा.
हाँ, इससे बेहतर तो वो है.
बट ये मन में होता है, सामने आता है तो
नहीं,
सब.
like नहीं, this is the part of it. Because on good days when we deliver और जब हमारा क्लाइंट बोलता है कि नहीं, this is what I want.
Right.
Everything means ऐसा
feel
कि
empowered, basically.
कि हाँ अब डायरेक्शन मिल गया है.
This is my thing.
हाँ क्योंकि स्टार्ट में हम भी जब उनका समझ रहे, जैसे आई वर्क विद यूएस क्लाइंट ऑल्सो, हमारे पास एक है, तो उनका टाइमिंग्स इज इन द मॉर्निंग, वी बोथ 6:30 इन द मॉर्निंग वी वेक अप टू अटेंड देयर मीटिंग्स एंड उनका एक्सपेक्टेशन समझने के लिए वी डोंट गिव इट टू एनीबॉडी एल्स, हम दोनों खुद अटेंड करते हैं.
Nice.
बिकॉज द थिंग इज वो थर्ड पार्टी होते होते कॉन्वर्जेशन 85 to 40% ऐसा डाइल्यूट हो जाता है.
Chinese whisper हो जाता है.
हाँ, इस वजह से हम पर्सनली उनको अटेंड करते हैं बिकॉज हम उनको फिजिकली मिल नहीं पाते. दे हैव आउटसोर्स मार्केटिंग टू अस.
Right.
तो हम कोशिश करते हैं कि जितना वो बोल रहे हैं उतना, एंड दे आर नॉट ओनली अवेलेबल ऑन वीकेंड्स, तो उनके साथ गो थ्रू करना. इट्स लाइक वी स्लीप एट 8 PM टू वेक अप दिस अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग फॉर मीटिंग्स
Nice.
with them कि ऐसा है. now we are building their website as well, we are setting up this company from scratch with them.
Nice.
So in their head of sales department my name is there, that I'm going to be representing sales and marketing at their company.
Wow.
Since scratch तो they wanted कि हमारे में से किसी एक का नाम हो वहाँ पर, and he's already
Fantastic.
seeing one more business as head, so I had to take this on my name. ऐसा था.
Nice.
So that thing we have been very clear since the start कि client का, वो client बोलेगा ना ये गलत भी है if I feel कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए, फिर भी मैं करके दे देती हूँ. फिर उनको ये नहीं लगे ना तुमको क्या करना है, हमारा बिजनेस है, मेरा ये है, वो बोल रहा है ना ऐसा करना है, करके दे दो.
Right. The client is always.
हाँ, right. Client says left, right.
I understand there are good days and there are bad days, but it is very important to be in a stable state always. I mean, it's okay. Customers may have certain unrealistic expectations, but it is very important to be calm
Yeah.
and communicate whatever you have in a subtle manner. That it's okay. You have this expectation. I may not be the right person for it. Something on that line.
That acceptance is very important.
True.
That he has, I don't. But because I know. He tells me this, Shani, we are wrong here. I was like, still, he cannot say it to us like this. Na? There is the way. He's like, but he's not your father, no.
Oh.
He's not going to tell you things. It's a sugar
But hopefully
coating.
this doesn't happen on his face. I mean,
No. This is one direction.
वहाँ पे तो it is always the
Like,
smiling face.
I
is
am
there.
sorry. This is my fault. I will get it done tomorrow. First thing in the morning.
But trust me, this is something that many people fail to do.
Yeah.
They don't understand that you cannot be right always, or it is important to be right and not say it on the face, because your customer is the king eventually. It's okay that it isn't working. There's a subtle way to move out of it. You need not bomb yourself out of it that you don't know what you are doing and I am very well versed with my subject and my life. It is okay. Nahi jam raha hai. Let's end it. Let's cut the ties in a nice manner. The next time you meet, you could talk and greet it as each other as That's a nice thing that, you know, it's a matured thing that you both have understood.
Yeah.
At least one has.
Yes, he's made sure ki you also understand this.
That's nice. And being a professional, you know, you guys are professionals, you are delivering some services, as you have rightly highlighted. You know, it is very important to be updated with the things that have been happening in the industry.
Yes.
And this industry is again a dynamic one. Every day you wake up and there's a new thing, a new trend that is happening. And so how do you keep yourself updated?
So we recently got the opportunity to go to Shebang, which is one of the biggest companies in marketing, and
Right.
we got invited there. So this is the discussion that is happening everywhere, literally, कि AI can replace humans.
Nice.
Chat GPT is the trend.
Right.
Like people are like content writer का क्या जरूरत है, Chat GPT कर लो. अब like फिर personalize करके देगा क्या Chat GPT? उसको पता है तुम्हारे कैफे में 8 ही आइटम मिलता है. उन्होंने 10 का लिस्ट भेजा है तुमको. So this is the thing. हमको I think Shebang में भी उन्होंने यही कहा, you don't have to be, AI is not a threat, it is a helping tool.
Right.
तो हमको रियलाइज हो गया कि यू हैव टू स्टे अपडेटेड. अभी हम भी यही करते हैं. समटाइम्स हम कहीं रुक गए हैं या देयर इज अ क्रिएटिव ब्लॉक विद पीपल कि ये कॉन्सेप्ट पे आंसर्स नहीं मिल रहा है या ये कंटेंट पे नहीं मिल रहा है, तो वी डू दिस कि यार चैट जीपीटी कर ले, कुछ सजेशंस अच्छा मिल जाता है.
Right.
तो दैट वे वी हैव बिन वेरी क्लियर कि टेक्नोलॉजी है या फिर देयर इज एनीथिंग ट्रेंडिंग चेंजिंग एवरी नाउ एंड देन, वी बी अपडेटेड. वी आर टेकिंग
Right.
लेसन्स फ्रॉम मैडोवा मार्केटिंग एज वेल एवरी नाउ एंड देन.
What is that?
So there are sessions happening about marketing tools, or like, you know, everybody
They're
is
like
now
online sessions.
yeah, they are sessions where they tell us ki what tools can be more easier in your marketing journey.
Okay.
Like now Canva has become the trend. It has replaced PowerPoint recently. Everybody
Okay.
thinks ki, you know, you do everything on Canva. You can make a wedding invitation, you can make a PPT, you can make a template, you can make a poster, everything.
There are many graphic designers who have, you know, they think that they know everything just because they know Canva.
Yeah.
So now if you don't use Canva, you are boring.
Oh, that is the new jingo, right?
We had to buy Canva Pro. Our team is like, we need Canva Pro. It's like, why? You can use the free. Nahi, everybody is using it.
Oh, you need
And
to be in
sometimes
the
we
line.
see the invites that ये Canva से बनाया है. We have this conversation so often. हमको कोई भेजता नहीं देखिए इसने Canva से बनाया invitation, because we go through it very regularly.
You understand it. Right? This
We
is
have
the-
to use tools that are going on and off, because what happens is then people are going ahead.
Right.
The only person who's not going to benefit is going to be us. And this thing he keeps an update about कि ये change हो रहा है, शानी हमको एक बार try करना चाहिए. We were thinking about starting with PR as well recently, जब हमको realize हुआ कि हमारे customers को उसका ज़रूरत है. तो PR is his expertise completely. I can see the marketing part.
So again, I mean, I will pivot from the
Huh.
discussion. If you could explain the people who are watching this, what is the difference between marketing and PR?
So marketing is a strategy on how you want to work towards your company. So
Okay.
basically, if you are selling a fruit juice, so your market is everybody who drinks fruit juice. But your brand has to speak loud for himself when you
Right.
have 10 different competitors. Now that PR does. PR is shouting out loud about your brand. But for that, you have to have a journey. Marketing, PR is a helping tool to
So
market.
if I frame it in this way, that PR is something that helps you create a perception what you want in head of the people or the customers.
Correct. And marketing is the roadmap.
Okay.
So basically, abhi marketing people tell you कि, you know, the fruit juice has vitamin D. Now it is PR's job to put it in people's head that it has vitamin D
Okay. Okay.
Now
so
that-
you want to create a perception that vitamin D is there
in the fruit juice.
in the fruit juice.
And this is only should be highlighted about
So
this
they
product.
may start with a story. I'm just creating a story so that people would understand what exactly PR does. They may start with a story of why vitamin D is, you know, important,
Essential, yeah.
and then what are the good sources of vitamin D, and then eventually say that this is the fantastic source of vitamin D that is available
In our juice.
near your store, and
Yes.
this is something that you could have. So this is what PR
Exactly.
is. Okay. Okay.
PR is just a maximizing the volume. That is it. Ki, you know, this product is there. Because out of 10 things, how will you remember this product?
Nice.
Now that responsibility PR holds.
Okay.
Marketing का responsibility is packaging, how the product will look and how it will go on in the market. कि
Okay.
लोग कैसा देखेंगे इसको. पर PR का काम है कि लोग देखें उसको. ऐसा.
True. True.
The
So
idea.
you started with PR as well. That is
Now
what
we
you
are moving towards PR
You're in the
as
process
well.
of
Yes.
starting. Okay.
Because we understood कि marketing के साथ we will need PR.
This again came up because you are constantly researching about the
Yeah.
trends of the market. Okay.
So our clients have only told us कि this is the thing that we are marketing it well. पर हमारा product now, if you are a cake shop, there are 10 different cake shops in the city. Why will you have to be different?
Right.
So that PR has to do for you.
Okay.
तुम्हारा जो अलग product है या एक product है जिस पे तुमको
It
focus
has to
चाहिए.
carve out a different niche for you. That,
Exactly.
There'll be 10 different things, but they don't serve what we do because. And then
This is the reason.
Okay. Okay.
So that PR has to do.
Okay.
Now, when multiple people post the same thing, so everybody's seen it. Now, this is because of PR, good PR. Now, this has happened with Coffee with Karan also. They put one very controversial line. Now, everybody who's relating to it will share it.
Nice.
So, this is how Coffee with Karan's PR is happening. It's not because of the 1 hour episode, it is because of that one snippet that went viral.
And people would be plugged in for the entire episode.
Now, this is how PR, now the marketing team had told you have to search for a snippet. PR's job is amplify this.
So in a way, the entire episode is marketed. Something
Exactly. This is a pipeline, PR,
Okay.
then marketing.
Oh, nice. And then, what's your penultimate goal with this company? And I want him to answer for
He
this
is
question.
only going to. हाँ, so when we started Antisoch, we did not think कि कितने समय तक करना है. That was never our aim. But he came up with the idea आगे का कि हम कैसे शानिस को approach करें. I was going to be the better person to say it.
मीन्स हम नंबर्स को नहीं देख रहे थे कि कितने पैसे कमाने हैं. हमको पहले सर्वाइव करना है.
Right.
मीन्स मिनिमम 8 to 10 years इफ़ वी सर्वाइव इन दिस मार्केट, तो हमको पता चल जाए कि हम आगे और मीन्स 8 to 10 years अगर हमने सर्वाइव कर लिया, क्योंकि एज ए एग्जांपल अभी जितने भी स्टार्टअप्स हो रहे तो वो 2-3 साल में बंद हो जा रहे बिकॉज वो सर्वाइव नहीं कर पा रहे. और बहुत सारे लोग जितने भी स्टार्टअप कर रहे हो पहले मनी के बारे में सोच रहे हैं.
Right.
तो हमको वो नहीं सोचना है. हम पहले जब चालू भी किए हमने दिमाग में ये रखा कि पहले 6 महीना हमें लॉस ही होगा.
Okay. Mentally prepared थे आप
यस, बट लकीली वो नहीं हुआ.
उसमें. Right. Right.
टचवुड. तो अभी मेन फोकस तो ये कि हमको पहले 8 to 10 years सर्वाइव करना है, और वो कर लिया तो ऑटोमेटिकली पैसे तो आ ही जाएंगे.
Right. Right.
तो मेन विजन अभी तो फिलहाल वो है.
Nice. This is an interesting thing. Your vision is survivor for the next 8 to 10 years.
यस.
ये सोच जो है ना बहुत कम लोग में होती है, to be frank. It's quick billion thing. मुझे जल्द से जल्द होना है.
Unicorn.
But this is something that is very much important. This is what test match खेलता है ना. Test match is the actual cricket. It is more
Yes.
important to be on that crease for the long term. You'll get that odd ball जिसको आप 4 या 6 मारोगे. So fantastic thing. I mean, this is something that everyone should take back. You should be in the game
या.
for the long term, and that opportunities will definitely come to you.
यस.
Be in the game, be active. Fantastic. And again, how important is family over here? Because again, these are struggling times. To be very frank, you're just started, and a good start is something that anyone would wish to have.
मीन्स
how-
फैमिली सपोर्ट करनी चाहिए.
हाँ,
अगर नहीं करेगी तो फिर स्ट्रेस
बढ़ जाता है.
बढ़ जाता है ऑब्वियसली.
वो पीछे से सपोर्ट चाहिए, because
हाँ.
you are going into waters that you also don't know.
या.
So that support, or just mental support, that go ahead, we are there, is required.
Even saying कि करो, बस करो.
We are there
कुछ
with
भी
you.
होगा, come home.
Right.
Both of our families have been supportive. Even main reason जब हम business start भी करे, both our fathers have built businesses from scratch.
Right.
So we both have seen that from कि
I've seen those struggle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's my father is in business for 25 years and so is his father. His father's logger in the business. But उनसे एक ही चीज सीखा है कि अगर चलना है तो लंबे समय तक. You can't be Micromax का
You can't
phone.
think short.
You have to be Reliance. You have to stay for long in the market, whatever the market is.
Nice.
That is very important. And now after 23-24 years, now my father can sleep a very good sleep saying कि कल सुबह उठ के I don't have to worry about business.
You have made a good base for them.
Yeah, so उन्होंने ही this inculcation की it will take time. तुम्हारा 1 साल 2 साल में नहीं होगा. ये माइंड में रख कर चलना.
This is a good belief system that you have, and you have seen it firsthand. So
that is one very big advantage कि fathers have been कि it will take time because they know how long it has taken for them also. Years have changed, decades have changed. My father's been working since 2001. I know. I was 1 year old. I've seen my business from scratch.
Nice.
And he's been one person जिनको देखकर कि if I become 10% like him, I'm going to run a successful business.
Wow.
This
That's
is
nice.
every day I see him, I manifest this for myself. Ki I want to become like him. There's a lot of people told us ki you should have a role model. It's like that's always going to be what my father has done with his life.
Oh, fantastic.
He's also going to say something. He's very emotional about this.
No, that's same.
Yeah. But this happens with any business family, you know.
Yes.
Since childhood, you have seen your parents struggle and survive, and in a way, you sort of have the same feeling that I want to, you know, go through the same journey, and that is why you start your entrepreneurial journey. And in a way, you're mentally ready that challenges would come up,
Yeah.
and you are ready to face it as well.
They तो had families to feed also at that time when they were having a business getting ready.
True.
And I've seen my father come home days, you know, not very happy with the business, but then he's like, okay, tomorrow is going to be a fresh day.
There's always a tomorrow.
Start like that. And my father's always told me that the sun will come, so you go to work every day.
Fantastic.
That thing I have inculcated. We don't have a holiday in our workplace. I don't remember the last time both of us, you know, decided that today we will give a holiday. No. Two people are always working. Ki do something, come at office, doodle and go home.
True.
Because we know ki if the vibe is not there every day, after one point it is boring. We don't want that to happen to us.
Nice.
We both every day pick up new things, new ideas, even very quick decision making. Both of us have this कि if it is not working, end this right then and there.
Nice.
ज़्यादा damage और होने मत दो. जितना हो गया, how do we recover that is the idea that we always have.
Perfect. Not many understand this thing.
It's no point continuing something कि आगे चल के हो जाएगा. अगर होना
Right.
होता हो जाता. अब नहीं होने वाला है.
Fantastic. You guys are truly textbooks that any businessman should look at when they're starting something. You have the same. You have the right, attitude of going ahead. You have a fantastic vision for the company, and you bond with each other very well. This is something that I have seen today. Just towards the end of this very storytelling, just top three things that you would like to share with any person who is willing to start a new business or going into something that is new for them.
Find a right co-founder. Very, very important. Because we also thought कि दोस्तों के साथ शुरू कर सकते हैं. But then one thing that we realized कि complementary skills होना, complementary attitude होना, right vision होना. अभी when I see my company, how I see my company in the 5 years, he sees it the same way.
Nice.
जब हम बात करते हैं, it is not कि निखिल बात कर रहा है. It is like anti-social बात कर रहा है. वो चीज जो है वो vibe.
Finding the right co-partner is one.
Yes, one priority. Second is always believe in your company. मतलब एक टाइम आता है when people tell you कि अभी नहीं चलेगा, अभी बस हो गया, इतना ही इसका limitation है. If you believe ना, तुम pivot करके भी कुछ और बड़ा बना सकते हो उससे. Have more very long in their career, people told them कि इतना आइसक्रीम बैंड्स आगे नहीं चलेगा, they're still surviving in the market.
So I can change it a bit. Believe in yourself and then your company.
Yeah. Similar belief to brand value कि I can add this, ये कर सकते हैं हम, साथ कर सकते हैं. That is the idea.
Number 3 and the last one.
Always stay updated. क्या हो रहा है around you.
क्या ट्रेंड चल रहा है.
Right.
Don't live in a bubble कि तुम सही कर रहे हो.
Yeah.
ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है, रोक दो, आगे कुछ नया करो.
Understand that you are vulnerable as well.
Yes.
And be up for it.
And be dynamic कि you can change also easily.
True. That is again very much required. Fantastic. It has been truly an insightful experience talking to you. Really young in your entrepreneurial journey, but you sound like people who are here for like 4 decades. and you will be in this journey for not only 4 decades, way more than it, because you have the right attitude, you have the right co-founder as well, and you both complement each other very well. One speaks a lot, another speaks to the point, but he's the brains. That is something that I rather have understood today. So truly a great honor talking to you, and somewhere down the line, I feel that, I'll be showing this podcast to people in like 10 years, and I'll say that I was the first one to interview these people, because definitely will be somewhere far off and doing huge things at that point of time, for
First
sure.
of everything is always very special. Both of us have never done this. This is the first time we're both appearing also together. Even in our own account, we don't do reels together. One of us is appearing.
And talking about your journey is more like a therapy,
Yeah.
because you are in your mind, going through all the things that has happened. So
It is-
kudos to you.
That's it.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, truly it has been an insightful experience listening to the journey of these two young people, and they have the right attitude, and I'm pretty sure that they'll be going a long way in anything that they'll be doing. Not only this thing, but I want them to do 10 different things in the time to come, because they are in this for the long term. Truly, I am taking this thing back from today. Thank you so much for giving your time over here, and I
Thank
hope
you.
that you have enjoyed it.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.